Boldt HVAC has been a trusted provider of high-quality furnace services in Eagan, Minnesota since 1988. As a family-operated company, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional heating solutions, from routine maintenance and repairs to energy-efficient furnace installations. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in our 100% satisfaction guarantee and transparent pricing. Don't let the cold disrupt your comfort. Contact Boldt HVAC today to ensure your home stays warm and cozy. What are the types of furnace services offered by Boldt? Boldt HVAC offers a full range of furnace services, including professional installation, routine maintenance, expert repairs, and 24/7 emergency heating solutions. What are the benefits of regular furnace maintenance services? Regular furnace maintenance from Boldt HVAC ensures your heating system runs efficiently, reduces energy costs, extends its lifespan, and prevents unexpected breakdowns. What are the areas does Boldt HVAC provides furnace services in Eagan, Minnesota? Boldt HVAC proudly provides expert furnace services in Eagan, Minnesota, and the surrounding areas, including Burnsville, Apple Valley, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, West St. Paul, Shakopee, Edina, Richfield, and Cottage Grove, Minnesota. Where is Boldt HVAC's furnace services company in Eagan, Minnesota located? We are located at 860 Blue Gentian Road South TE 200, Eagan, Minnesota, 55121. Our phone number is 651-300-6145. Visit our website, www.bobhvac.com.